Here's the solution for day 1, problem 1. Find the distance between points with these coordinates. -2, 4. From the origin, that's left 2, and then up 4. That's located right there. 4, 6. From the origin, that's right to the 4, and then up 6, and that's located right here. So that takes care of question A. Question B, find the distance. One way to do this is to create a right triangle. So draw down from this dot, draw across from this dot, creating a 90-degree angle, and then connect them together diagonally. Then we can find this distance here and this distance here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units across, and this height here is 2 units. The reason that's helpful is because we can use the Pythagorean Theorem on this right triangle to find the length of the hypotenuse, which we can give the variable c. So the Pythagorean Theorem is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A is the 2, b is the 6, and c is our unknown. 2 squared is 4, and 6 squared is 36, so this adds up to 40 is equal to c squared. Then we can take the square root of 40 to have an answer for c. You can leave the answer as the square root of 40, or take a calculator to get a decimal approximation for this. Next, day 1, problem 2. Line C is parallel to line D. The equation of line D is right here, and line C passes through this ordered pair. Because line C is parallel to D, it will have the same slope as line D, and that slope is this number here, the 2/3. This is our slope. We use the letter M to represent this. The other thing we know about line C is that it has this ordered pair with coordinates x1 and y1. So we can create an equation using point slope form. That is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's make our substitutions. We have y subtract. For y1, put in -4. For m, put in 2/3. And then x minus, and for x1, put in 1. Because of this double negative here, let's do one step of simplifying. Y plus 4 equals, and then 2/3 times x minus 1. Here's an equation in point slope form for line C. So that takes care of question A. Question B, let's graph line C. We know that line C goes through the point 1, -4. We can locate that point. So over to 1 and then down 4. Here is 1, -4. The other thing we know about point C is that its slope is 2/3. Think of that as rise over run. Rise 2, run to the right 3. So from this dot, up 2, right 3. Here's another dot on the line. We could go down 2, left 3 to get even another dot on the line. And so drawing through here, there is line C.